You have an appointment scheduled to have your basement waterproofed and the crew shows up. They check out the area to be worked on and they inform you that they must reschedule because your family's antique dish collection is in the way. I would feel upset, and I'm sure you would too, especially after taking a day off work to be around the house. Stay tuned to hear how to prepare your home for foundation repair or waterproofing crews. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Anytime you have a contractor's crew come in to do work at your home, it can be stressful. In this video, I'll explain how to prepare your home for exterior work, interior work, and how to know what has to be done. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Anytime we're doing work on the inside of your home, you want to make sure that you speak with your project advisors to get clarity on everything to expect. A rule of thumb is we need 4 feet away from any foundation wall and 4 foot up from the floor. This is when we do work for like water drainage. Now, if we're doing some kind of wall retention or straps or tiebacks, this can change. We're going to need access to the entire height of that wall, but still a minimum of 4 feet away from the wall. So that means any kind of carpet, drywall, studs, and personal belongings need to be moved away from that area and covered in plastic in case any dust gets on them or gets put into the air. Exterior work's a little bit more simple, as we don't have personal belongings as much around our home. But we want to think about landscaping. If we're digging next to your home and you have some kind of flowers, bushes, or something else that's really important for you to keep alive, you're going to want to move those before we get there to work. We can move those, but we're normally going to haul those off. Unfortunately, we're not landscapers and we can't be sure that things are going to regrow. The other thing is that if you have any kind of sprinkler systems, know where those are at. We'll take care of calling 811s to do locates on your behalf. That way we're sure that the areas are marked for any kind of utilities as soon as we get there. Your biggest asset to knowing how to prepare for the work being done is your project advisor. They are your direct contact and they have experience with all kinds of jobs and all kinds of situations. So if there's something unique, that's going to be the person you want to talk to make sure that your site is prepared, and when we show up we can do the work so that you don't waste an extra day or we don't have to come back later. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have more questions about how to prepare your home for work? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.